Right, let's show you around room 1130 of the Iberostar Varadero. Apologies for the quality of the video, not normally up to our standard due to my camera breaking, but that's another story. But we still wanted to show you around and use the video so you'd know what to expect if you were planning to book a hotel in Cuba and picking the Iberostar. So let's have a look around. Firstly, the bathroom is really big. There's a bath, obviously, and a large shower. The shower had a small step, which, even if you had mobility issues, it wouldn't be a problem. Evening, there we are there. So everything you would expect in a bathroom, really big, bidet. Nothing else to report, really. It was a very, very nice bathroom, wasn't it?
Toiletries, shower gel, etc. all provided.
Yeah, dressing gown, slippers too. Big wardrobe that already had a lot of hangers in, which, if you've seen our previous videos, you know that's one of our pet hates, opening the door of the wardrobe and no hangers being there. But we were happy with that. There was also a safe, which is one of our must-haves in a room. Lots of pillows and storage. As you can see, it's a really good size room with 2 queen beds that were very, very comfortable. We go
and like
over,
you said, lots of pillows.
Lots of pillows, yes. So propping yourself up if you want to watch the telly. Here we've got more pillows and some soft drinks in the fridge, which were, I can't remember the name of the brand name, but they were quite bizarre. But
quite unusual to say the least.
But they served their purpose and that was fine. Here you've got a little sitting area next to the bed. And we did have some toil animals. We think this was an octopus, which was really nice to come back to the room. Aircon and fan, so whatever you wanted. It was very, very hot when we were there, which was lovely. Out on the balcony, sorry it's a bit dark, but just to give you an idea, it's a large, large balcony with a dryer right at the end that you can pull out. We had a view over to the gardens, didn't we? So it wasn't anything to show to them, but obviously there's the plugs. It is the flat pin USA plugs that you'd need to bring here. Coffee machine, which did take us a while to suss out, but we got there in the end, didn't we?
Yeah, it was quite nice when we worked it out.
Yeah, no milk in the room. However, we would go to the coffee shop in the hotel and just grab a cup of that, so that's fine. So we're really pleased, weren't we, with the room here?
Yeah,
Iberostar Varadero. Very comfortable, very large. We hope it's been useful just showing you around. That's all to say, really.
That's it, yeah.
So there we are. If you enjoy our videos, please do press the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.